Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 12 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where I show you guys my Canadian stock portfolio and update you guys every 2 weeks. So right now the stock portfolio is at $5,295 or 10.66% all time. As we scroll down here, I'll show you which stocks I'm buying today. I'll go to total value so you can see how many shares I own of each stock, as well as the all-time percentages. Now, one of my best percentages in stocks are the Canadian banks, one including TD. I'm going to buy another share of this today. One of my favorite Canadian bank stocks all time, or you can't really go wrong with them, but amazing yield at 4.72%, as well as some amazing growth on this stock as well. So I'm just going to buy one more share of TD, confirm, and that should go through. Perfect. Next stock I'm buying today, scroll back up here a little bit, is Bell Canada, BCE. I'm going to buy 2 shares of BCE. As you can see on the long-term chart, it still has some room to climb. Again, very good yield on this stock as well, 5.51%. And one of my favorite telecommunications companies, along with TELUS as well. So I'm going to buy 2 shares of this into the TFSA. And with whatever we have left, depending on the amount, let's just go check here. So $45. What I wanted to do is just clean up another share of VDY, which is my main ETF holding. So we're going to buy 1 share of this if we can. 45. I don't know if it'll let us, but it did. Perfect. So that is the last stock we're buying. So just to recap everything that we did today, we bought 1 share of TD, 2 of Bell Canada, and 1 of VDY. I forgot to update you guys on the total dividends earned in my portfolio. Right now we're up to $53.03, which is absolutely incredible. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this episode. Again, I'll keep updating you guys on a bi-weekly basis. And if you have any questions or wanted to join Wealthsimple, there's links in the description. If you put $100 in, then you get some sort of bonus, and I get a little bit of a kickback too. So thank you guys again for watching. Hope to talk to you guys soon, and enjoy the rest of your